Welcome to Creative Edge. I, Sumit Si, welcome you all on the behalf of entire Creative Edge team. And in this video, we'll be talking about syllabus for CEED 2026. CEED exam is divided into two parts, part A and part B. So let's talk about part A first. Part A has been divided into 9 sub parts. Let's talk about these parts first. The very first one is visualization and spatial reasoning, practical and scientific knowledge, observation and design sensitivity, environment and society, language, creativity, analytical and logical reasoning, and art and design knowledge and design methods and practices. So these are the 9 major headings. Now let's talk about each part in detail. Visualization and spatial reasoning, ability to visualize and transform 2D shapes and 3D objects and their internal relationships. Practical and scientific knowledge is the second segment. Here we expect how the application of scientific principles is there in everyday objects. Observation and design sensitivity, it is the capacity to detect concealed properties in daily life and think critically. Attention to detail is what matters most. Environment and society, general awareness about environment, social and cultural connections with design. Analytical and logical reasoning, it is the ability to analyze quantitative and qualitative information. Language, proficiency in reading and comprehending standard English. Creativity, understanding of verbal and non-verbal analogies, metaphors, signs and symbols. Art and design knowledge, awareness about art, artifact, product, artists, designers, design history and trends. Design methods and practices, knowledge of media, material, production processes and ergonomics. Now let's talk about part B. It has 4 major segments: creativity, drawing, problem identification and communication. So in 4 segments में अगर हम बात करें तो let's talk about drawing. So when it comes to drawing, you must be good at perspective drawing, objective drawing, line quality should be better. When it comes to communication, your sketches should communicate what you actually want to communicate. Problem solving, thinking out of the box, creating a solution for practically existing problems, and creativity. So creativity is majorly applicable in the prior 3. That is, you have to be as creative as you can when you are solving the problems or when you are sketching a particular situation or when you are expected to create a solution, right? So that's it for this part B. Overall, if we talk about part A and part B, let me summarize. Part A has a weightage of 150 marks, 1 hour. Part B has a weightage of 100 marks of 2 hours. So 3 hours का CEED exam कुछ इस तरह से conclude कर रखा है. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends who are targeting design entrance exams, specifically CEED 2026 like you. Also, if you have not subscribed Creative Edge till now, subscribe us on YouTube and let's meet in our next video.